Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok showing wrong language videos. So when you're scrolling through your For You page on TikTok and for example you live in the United States but you're getting videos from Germany for example, then here's how you can fix this, because this is just an issue with TikTok and you can easily fix this by simply following my 3 steps. So what you want to do is you want to go head over to your TikTok profile and you want to click on the top in the top right corner of your screen at the 3 stripes right here, and then on settings and privacy. Now the first thing you want to make sure to do is click on language. I want to make sure that app language, preferred language, translation language is all set to the language you want to view your TikToks in. So if you're from the United States but you're getting videos from TikTok from Germany, then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your app language is set to English, and also that your preferred language is also set to English, and that your translation language is also set to English, because this will simply show that this will simply show that you are from English or that you at least speak English, and then TikTok will know that they need to prefer you more TikTok videos from England or the United States, or at least English videos. Then the second thing you want to make sure to try is you want to head over to your settings, and by the way this can be done over on your iPhone and your Android device. Then what you simply want to do is you want to click on general, and you want to make sure to find language and region, and on Android you can easily find this by going to the search bar and then also typing in language and region. Then what you want to make sure to do is that preferred language is also set to the language you want to view your TikToks in. So for example, I want to view my TikToks in the United States, and make sure that your preferred language is set to English and that your region is set to the United States. And this is extremely important because TikTok actually looks at your device where it's based, but also how it's configured. So if you're from the United States but you have accidentally set your region, for example, to Germany, then this means that TikTok will show you German videos. Also, the last thing you want to make sure to try and do is you want to head over to settings and then to general and then to about, because you want to scroll down all the way till you find your EMAE and your EMAE2. So if you don't know, your TikTok actually looks at your SIM card from where you're based. So even though you may be based in the United States, if your SIM card is for example from Germany, then it will show you most of the time German videos. The 2 settings we just changed will change it a little bit. However, it will still prefer you German videos because your SIM card is from Germany. So what you simply want to do is you want to either get an app that basically makes your SIM card vanish, which you can simply find on the App Store, I think. Or what you simply want to do is you want to go and head over to your local store, or on Amazon or eBay you can simply buy SIM cards from your country. So for example, I am from the United States but I have a German SIM card for no reason. I don't know why you would have that, but if you have that, then you simply want to switch that SIM card to an